Paint protection film is a vinyl wrap that's generally done over the front edge of a car, although it can be over the entire car. It's completely clear and it's invisible to the naked eye. And this is going to add a layer of protection to your vehicle that keeps your car from getting dented or dinged or scratched or rock chipped quite as easily. Ceramic coating is a liquid polymer that is put on the outside of a paint. What this is going to do is it's going to make your car look and shine better than it's ever looked. And it's also going to make your car extremely easy to wash. It's also going to make it a little more resistant to scratches, thus making your car look newer longer. If you want to look at or see the difference of one of these two services in person, feel free to swing by one of our shops. We can give you a free demo and answer any questions you have about pricing, availability, or schedules for any of the products that we offer. Swing by anytime.